So let us start with our very first question. Problem statement name is Ada King. Chef Ada is training with her calculation skills. She wants to place a king and some obstacle on a chessboard in such a way that the number of distinct cells the king can reach is exactly k. So here some instructions are given. A chessboard consists of 8 rows and 8 columns, and there's a general formula for where the king can move. It is given as r minus rn square plus c minus cn square. It should be always less than 2. So in input section we are given that the in integer line input section will consist of a single integer t, which is the test case, and the number of places where the king can move is k. In output section we can take output as we have to construct a row and matrix design consists of 8 rows and 8 columns, and we have to take this as example input is also given and example output is given. So I will explain first how the input has taken and the output is given. So let's move on to the next slide. So here you can see O is the king and X are the obstacles. Dot represent the free space where there is no obstacles. See the test cases input 4, that means the program will run 4 times, and the test values for k are 1, 5, 9 and 64 respectively. For k value 1, the king should move only one for one position. So the one position is the initial position where the king is. So the x are all the x are the obstacles, so the king can move nowhere except its original position. So next move to the next case is 5. King should move 4 spaces anywhere. So the dot represent the places where the king can move, and x are surrounded, so the king can move only on the dot space. So king is 0 and the dot are the free space. Similarly for the 64, the king can move everywhere in the entire board, also in its own position. So we must construct a board using 8 cross 8 matrix. We can directly print. We use two for loop for the two matrix. T is the number of test case, so we put the whole program inside a while loop where we can repeat the whole task t times. Then we have input the user k, how much steps the king should move. If the k value is entered, and we will construct an entire chessboard, and we will locate the king at the last position of the matrix, so that king, and we will take, see if 64 places are covered. If 64 places are covered in the entire chessboard, king can move k places. So the number of places king can't move is 64 minus k. So we will fill all the area where the king can't move with an obstacle x, and the remaining area will be filled with a dot, and followed for the last step, the last row and column I8 and J8 should be placed with 0. We will use if else statement and see the code and how is it executed. Hope you like the video. Please subscribe to our channel, and we will be uploading all the beginners, from beginner to hard questions of Code Chef daily. Thank you guys.